Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of curated Bluesky feeds. It's like having expertly organized topic channels, but on the decentralized Bluesky social network. Think of it as a highly efficient way to find exactly what you're looking for, without the noise.
That sounds amazing. So what kind of curated feeds are we talking about? Are we talking niche interests or broader topics?
Oh, it's a really diverse range. We've got everything from highly specialized feeds, like one dedicated entirely to Taylor Swift posts, to broader categories like science, video games, and even a dedicated feed for cat pictures.
A Taylor Swift feed? Seriously? I have to see this. But the science one sounds interesting too. Is it just random scientists posting? Or is there some kind of curation process?
It's curated, yeah. It pulls from professional scientists, science communicators, and even science-themed artists and photographers. They're aiming for a mix of expertise and engaging visuals. There's even a link to learn more about how they select contributors.
I see. So it's not just a hashtag-based aggregation. There's actual human oversight involved in many of these feeds. That's a smart approach. What about the broader categories? Search. Are they just simple hashtag searches?
Not exactly. Some are hashtag-based, like the hashtag Bluesky feed for book lovers. But others use a combination of keywords, hashtags, and even specific user lists to ensure quality and relevance. For example, the Bluesky feed uses a combination of hashtags and an algorithm to highlight posts from Black users. They even have a process for reporting inappropriate content.
That's a really interesting approach to community building within a decentralized network. It addresses potential issues with bias and moderation in a clever way. Are there any feeds that focus on more visual content?
Absolutely. There are several. There's a dedicated feed for cat pictures and another for dog pictures, but also feeds for art, both trending and curated Discover feeds. They even have a feed for trending images from artists, filtering out AI-generated content. Pretty neat, huh?
That's impressive. It seems like they've thought about a lot of different content types and user interests. Are there any feeds that are more interactive or community-driven?
Yes. The Fitness Sky feed is a great example. It encourages users to post their workouts, diet tips, and progress using specific hashtags to ensure visibility. It's all about building a community around health and wellness. There are similar community-focused feeds for fashion, music, and even cooking.
This is really well thought out. It's not just about passively consuming content. It's about actively participating in themed communities. It seems like Bluesky is trying to create a more focused and engaging experience than some other platforms. What about the technical side? How are these feeds actually implemented?
That's a great question. Many of these feeds are built using tools and services specifically designed for creating and managing Bluesky feeds. Some are even using custom algorithms to curate content based on various factors, like popularity, recency, and keywords. It's a pretty sophisticated system.
It's fascinating how much thought has gone into creating these curated feeds. It really enhances the user experience on Bluesky. It seems like a great way to discover new content and connect with like-minded individuals. It's a clever way to organize the decentralized nature of Bluesky.
Exactly. It's a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of the Bluesky community. And that's it for today's episode of Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of curated Bluesky feeds. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.